रिजोल्यूशन में पेश करना चाहता हूँ।
नहीं तो उसके लिए तुम मुझे रूल सस्पेंड कैसे बताएं, सेक्रेटेरिएट में कब दिया है?
आई बेग टू चेयरमैन, मैं यही रिक्वेस्ट आप मैं कर रहा हूँ। आप मुझे
पुट करें जी मोशन,
2 मिनट आप मुझे
पुट करें जी, तशरीफ रखें प्लीज।
आई सेनेटर दिलावर खान to move under rules 263 of the rules of procedure and conduct of business in the Senate 2012 that the requirement of rules 25, 29, 30 and 133 of the said rule be dispensed with in order to enable the House to discuss and pass a resolution. यही सर आपसे रिक्वेस्ट।
Those who are in favor of the resolution may say aye. Aye. Those against the resolution may say no. I think the ayes have it, the motion is carried. जी
शुक्रिया जनाब चेयरमैन साहब। एक्नॉलेज दैट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ
रेजोल्यूशन पुट करें जी हाउस में।
सर एक्नॉलेज दैट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान uphold the rights to vote for every citizen of Pakistan. The constitutional duty assigned to the Election Commission of Pakistan to conduct free and fair elections in contingent upon inclusivity and ensuring the participation of all region and people. The voter turnout in colder areas remains notably high during the moderate weather conditions. January and February are recognized as the coldest month in a majority of the areas Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Various groups and political parties have expressed their significant reservation regarding anticipation difficulties ensuring the participation of residents in cold area during the electoral process, noting with great concern that recent incidents, including the failed attempts on the lives of Jamiatul Ulama Islam, Pay, Chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman Sahib and former MNA Mr. Mohsin Dawar, as well as the threatening calls targeting Awami National Party Provincial Chief Mr. Amal Wali Khan and other political figures have raised concern about the safety of political leaders. The Ministry of Interior has conveyed serious threats to the lives of prominent politicians, further exacerbating the challenges faced by the political parties in exercising their rights to free and fair election campaigning. There has been a marked increasing in the attacks on security forces and citizens claiming precious lives, particularly in northwestern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan provinces. The intelligence agencies have warned of militant attacks, threats on election rallies in the two provinces, increased the attack targeting both security forces and civilians, resulting in the loss of valuable lives, particularly in the northwestern region of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan province. Alert issued by intelligence agencies indicating imminent threats of militant attacks on election rallies within the aforementioned provinces may have potential impact on the safety of citizens and the democratic electoral process. Cognizant of the resurgence of the COVID-19 virus in the country and health sectors concerned about the potential further spread, reaffirm that while holding the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan regarding the election date in the highest esteem of the upper house of the Parliament, the Senate of Pakistan, being the defender of the rights of the federating units, is obligated to ensure the constitutional guarantees and to alleviate fears of the smaller provinces, especially vulnerable geographical territories. The Senate of Pakistan hereby resolved that conducting election without addressing legitimate concern, facilitating sufficient opportunities for the election campaign and guaranteeing the safety of politicians and citizens would amount to evaluation of the fundamental rights to vote and political participation as safeguarded by the Constitution of Pakistan. The election schedule for the 8 November 2024 may be postponed to facilitate the effective participation of people from all areas of Pakistan and belonging to all political shades in the electioneering process. This delay aims to protect and uphold their constitutional right to political participation. The Election Commission of Pakistan is urged to promptly implement the postponement and ensure that all necessary arrangements are in place to facilitate the smooth conduct of election on the revised date. The process of filing of nomination paper and scrutiny shall continue with the revised extended timeline. The Election Commission of Pakistan shall engage proactively with the relevant stakeholders, political parties and communities to address their concern and foster an environment conducive to free and fair election. The Senate of Pakistan expressed confidence in the ability of the Election Commission of Pakistan to effectively manage and oversee the revised election schedule, ensuring the integrity and fairness of the election process. चेयरमैन साहब एक तरफ
जी एक मिनट
चेयरमैन
पहले
साहब
पुट करने दें जी
मैं सर एक मिनट एक तरफ अगर 90 डेज का आर्टिकल आइन में मौजूद है
पहले मुझे
दूसरी
पुट
तरफ
करने दें अभी आप
fundamental
रेजोल्यूशन
rights भी
पेश
मौजूद
किया
हैं।
डेट चेक करें जी
8 फरवरी करेक्ट
8
जी मैं देता हूं
फरवरी
8 फरवरी
जी।
करेक्शन
Is it opposed? Okay, Ji. Now let me put the resolution before the House. Those who are in favor of the resolution may say aye. Those against the resolution may say no. Let me put it again. Those who are in favor of the resolution may say aye. Those against the resolution may say no. I think the ayes have it, the resolution is passed. वो करेक्शन कर दें जी 8 फरवरी जी ऑनरेबल सेनेटर अफनानुल्लाह खान साहब जी अफनान करें ना फिर
रहीम शुक्रिया जनाब चेयरमैन मैं मेरे ऑनरेबल कुलीग हैं सेनेटर दिलावर साहब उन्होंने जो रेजोल्यूशन पेश की है उसकी रोशनी में कुछ बात करना चाहूँगा हमारे मुल्क के अंदर जनाब चेयरमैन बहुत दफ़ा जनरल इलेक्शन हुए हैं और मैं जो वजूहात इन्होंने पेश किए हैं इलेक्शन डिले करने की उनको एक एक करके जो है मैं एड्रेस करना चाहूँगा पहली बात ये है कि जो सिक्योरिटी के हालात हैं वो बात दुरुस्त है कि सिक्योरिटी के बहुत कोई अच्छे हालात नहीं है पाकिस्तान में इस वक्त
दिलावर खान साहब आप कागज़ जेब में रखते हैं जब चाहें पेश कर देते हैं
लेकिन जनाब चेयरमैन 2008
ऑर्डर प्लीज अफनान साहब को सुने
जनाब चेयरमैन 2008 में इससे ज़्यादा हालात सिक्योरिटी के ख़राब थे 2013 में इससे ज़्यादा सिक्योरिटी के हालात ख़राब थे रोज़ाना बम धमाके होते थे और बड़े बड़े शहरों में होते थे फिर भी इलेक्शन हुए इसके अंदर तो ये बात जो है कि सिक्योरिटी के हालात ठीक ना होने की का बहाना करके अगर हम इलेक्शन को डिले करेंगे तो इस मुल्क में कभी भी इलेक्शन नहीं होंगे हमेशा इसके अंदर जो है मेरी गुजारिश सुन लें मेरी गुजारिश सुन लेना